Hello, 10 divided by 5, 1 plus 1. And remember that answer is not equal to 1. If we solve it, 10 divided by 1 plus 1, 2, 2 times 5 is 10. So 10 divided by 10 is 1. But 1 is not our concept. Now I will solve it according to pattern and according to some laws. So, first of all, we will solve parentheses. So, 10 divided by 5 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So, now 2 is put out from the bracket. We will get 10 divided by 5 times 2. Now we have to move from left to right. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 will be equal to 4. So 4 will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.